Good morning. Yes. So, how are you all? Yes. Okay. 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 So, I welcome you all to our e-learning class. Okay. 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 Yes. So, you know this is your EVS, no? EVS subject. Okay. So, I think you have completed your syllabus, no? Yes or no? I want to know. Yes, okay. Yes, I am also fine. Okay. So, I will write once again the syllabus, okay? As you know, this your ma'am is teaching you this subject, so I am taking the class today. So I want to tell you the syllabus once again. Okay. Term 2 you can write down in your school copy or notebook. Okay. I am all fine and missing you all. Okay. You can write down. Okay. You please write down the syllabus once again for term 2, syllabus of EVS. Syllabus for term 2. Okay. Chapter number 11, chapter number 12, chapter number 13, chapter 14, 15, okay, chapter 16, chapter 17, chapter 20 and 22. This is the syllabus. Okay. Chapter 11 is there, 12, chapter 13. Yes, chapter 10 is also there. Okay, I have forgot to write that one. Okay, yes. Chapter 10, chapter 11. Chapter 10, chapter 11, chapter 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20 and 22. You must write down in your copy, EVS copy, okay? So, today we will going to do a revision work. No, chapter 18 is not there. It is written here, okay? We will do a revision work. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Okay. So let us do here. Okay. Some revision work. You can write down in your EVS copy. Okay. Questions pattern will be of MCQ type. Yes. Abhipsha. Okay. Yes. 5. Okay. So question pattern will be of MCQ type. Okay, your options will be given. You have to choose the correct option. Okay. Let us do here some of the work. Okay. Everybody must do it in your EVS copy. Okay, see here, choose the correct answer. I think the board is visible to you. Okay, please reply in the chat bar. The board is visible to you and I am audible to you also, audible and visible. Okay, 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 okay. So choose the correct answer. Number 1. Suppose I add this one, the Golconda Fort is very, okay, your options I am giving here. Huge and nice fort. Option B, small okay, and option number C I am giving here, not very nice. Okay, so the Golconda fort is very huge and nice fort, small fort not very nice. Okay, it will be number A. Okay, huge and nice fort. Okay, I have given here 3 options, 4 options can be there. Number D I can write as none of these. Okay, number D, none or none of these, this way. Okay, then second question, Makai Darwaza is in, options are east, west, north, and D, southwest. Okay, Makai Darwaza is in east. Which direction I am telling? East, west, north and southwest. Okay, it is southwest. Yes, very good. Okay, 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 all are correct. Yes, yes, Arya. Okay, yes, next one. Okay, this way you will practice from your, I think ma'am already told you. Okay, this way you will practice from your this workbook, no? Okay, okay, now some more. Number 3, a dash is a small model of the earth. A dash is a small model of the earth. No, no, don't write the answer. Who is writing? Not now. Let me give the option. Okay, you know this one. This is very easy. I can write map. I can write globe. I can write painting. I can write none. So the option is globe. Globe is a small model of the earth. Okay, yes. Now I have to rub the board. I think all of you have completed. Those who have not completed, please complete it. Which question you are asking, Ankita? I am asking you that if you have completed the board work, this MCQs, I will rub the board. Okay, Ankita? Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, I am now just rubbing this one. Now next one. Three we have done. Number 4. Okay. Now from the other chapters, dash takes lakhs of years to be formed. Dash takes lakhs of years to be formed. Options are petrol, number B, coal, number C, fire, number D, none of these, or none. You can write none also. Okay, so dash takes lakhs of years to be formed. Nobody will make it together mode, it will be grid mode. Okay, petrol, yes, petrol is the correct option. Okay, Nishi, correct. Ankita, Prince is also there. Okay, very good. Arya, Obipsha. Okay, next one. Yes. Number 5. All of you are writing, I think, no? All of you are writing in your EVS copy? Shaunak? Yes, yes. You must write it down. Okay. Revision work is very important for you. Remember, I have told you before also, and today I am also telling you. Okay. Number 5. It took three days to cover It took 3 days to cover dash. Dash is given here from Mumbai to Delhi. Okay. It took 3 days to cover dash from Mumbai to Delhi. Your options are 15,000 kilometer, number B 12,000 kilometer, number C 14,000 kilometer, and number D 1,000 kilometer. Which one? It took 3 days to cover. Option C. Okay, very good. 14,000 kilometer. This one. Okay. Next one. A place where sheep and goats are kept is known as. I think you can see the board properly, everyone. Okay, options are likha, lekha, lukha, and D none. So which is the correct option? A place where sheep and goats are kept is known as lekha. Yes, option not A, Arya, it is wrong. You are telling wrong one. Lekha, L-E-K-H-A. Okay. Aryanil, switch off your front camera. Okay. Number B, lekha, L-E-K-H-A. L-E-K-H-A. Okay. Okay. Okay, one more MCQ we will do, then I will end the class. One more. Yes, number B, lekha. Okay. So I think all of you have completed this one. I will rub it. I am rubbing number 4 and 5. Okay, one more we will do. Okay, don't share any picture here, please. Okay, now number 7. Spectacles. Last one, okay? Last MCQ. Spectacles can be cleaned spectacles can be cleaned by blowing. Number A option, air. Number B, dust. Number C, smoke. Number D, none of these I can give. So spectacles can be cleaned by blowing. Number A, yes, it is air. Okay. 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 Ankita, Arya, air, yes, very good. So okay. That's all for today's class, my dear children, my dear students. Okay. So you will practice in this way from your textbook as well as from your EVS workbook. Okay. MCQs will be there. You will have to get the correct option. Okay. So a very good wishes to everyone. I am seeing you once again after so many days. Actually, I am here with the online class. Okay. Stay well, stay safe, and be good to all. Okay. Thank you and goodbye.